Going on, everybody? It's your boy Smitty, and I'm back today with a new video. Today, nothing special, no race, no track day, no real training like I said I'm going to do. It's just in Atlanta, we don't get much snow. And when it does snow, it's not this much at all. So take my little bike, my 110, be a big ass kid, like if you know me, that's who I am. Ride around, have a good time, and hope you enjoy the vid, y'all. So watch the vid, let me know what's up in the comments, all right? And if you're here in Georgia also, just have fun, enjoy yourself, but be safe also. So let's get to it, y'all. Oh shit. Shit is mad sketchy. Holy shit, man. Sliding around left and right. I got a little groove right there. Hop on left. Okay, it ain't half bad, half bad. Fuck the brakes, man. Little kid screaming at me. Woo. It ain't too cold. I'm fogging up a little bit. Stay in the groove. What's going on, man? Huh? It's fun, man. Turn that shit off. Huh? I had to try, man. You good?
Gotta get him a little snowman.
Okay, he inside?
Yeah, we're gonna bring them out when they count it on the end.
Got it.
But yeah, they came out a little earlier. They love it.
Half of them ride around, be stupid, that's all, man. You get back on it. Ugh. It's my neighbor Q. Ain't too bad, man. I like this shit. Oncoming traffic. Hey, who's this dumbass guy? Yeah, it's me. What's going on, man? Okay. Brakes. Ah, fucking shit, man. I made it. drift action with the rear tire. Okay. Whoa, 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 Chris. Go to my backyard for a little bit. There's more grip over here. I'm out of breath now, man. It's a lot of fucking work doing this shit, but it's a good time nonetheless. Get inside the house, man. Neighbors probably hate me right now, but oh well. Maybe I. Whew. That was good, man. Man, look at this shit now. Pack it up. So, hope you enjoyed my winter wonderland ride in my synopsis. I had a good time riding around. The back got a little squirrely. That was fun doing that. But two things: it got kind of foggy. I couldn't see that well, and I started to get cold towards the end. My hands, so couldn't really, do what I want to do with the gas and the brake. So, anyway, did I learn anything? No, just had fun. That's all this video was about. So, it's your boy Smitty, and I'm out. Till next time, y'all.